Hey, welcome to Plumbing Gurus. My name's Karsten. On this channel, we strive to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. All right, last but not least, secret number 5, advertising and networking. Number 1, how to get referrals for your business and why they are the best way of advertisement. We've pretty well built our entire business from referrals. I would say at the beginning, this should be the main way of getting your business. So I'm sure by this point you have already a lot of people knowing that you're a plumber. So let people know that you're considering going on your own, or maybe you already have. People will always use you before calling a random person. So as long as you can do good work, answer your phone, and show up when you say you're going to, the work will just keep on coming. Number 2, networking to get more clients. This is probably the hardest but most important part of getting started. If you have a good network of people that you already know, this will be easier for you if you're an introverted type person and struggle with meeting new people. This will be a challenge, but without networking, the only other option is advertising. While advertising can be scary because you have to spend money on it, we will be the ones to teach you and guide you on what to avoid. Getting referrals is by far the best way to start out. So if you're in sports like golf, hockey, soccer, or any other team sports, or maybe your kids are on teams, you can network through those types of things. These are just some of the ways of networking, but there are also places like BNI, which is a once a week business lunch meeting where you meet with other business people. This is also a great place to start. Like Clayton said before, we will be offering a private Facebook group within our program where you can network with other business owners too. It shouldn't be considered a competition. We should be helping each other succeed. This is a winning mentality, so don't let those negative people get into your head. Number 3, do I actually need business cards? Personally, I think business cards are a way of the past. Most people throw them in the garbage anyway. And generally when people ask me for a card, I just give them my number because once it's in their phone, they can't lose it. But if you just hand them a card, there's a high probability they will lose it. So I wouldn't waste your time or your money on this sort of thing at the beginning. Number 4, which social media platforms to start with. This is a very important way to get free organic advertising. If you're good with social media, you will win. We never used it enough at the beginning for our plumbing business, but for our Plumbing Gurus business that we have created, we have needed social media to get known. YouTube is our main source of traffic right now. We currently have over 11,000 subscribers and almost 2 million views to date. If that's not marketing, I don't know what is. Not only can YouTube be a great way to get your name out there, but you can also create more income from it too. Between the AdSense and affiliate marketing, we make over $700 per month, and that number will always be climbing as we do more content. But we'll be using all the social media platforms to attract more business in the future. It can be a lot to have to post all the time, so maybe just pick 2 to 3 at the start. We recommend Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube is a beast. If you're doing any of them, do YouTube to start, and we would be happy to help you learn how to start a channel and be successful at it. Number 5, starting a business Facebook page versus a personal Facebook page. Well, you should already have a personal Facebook page. You're going to want to start a business page now. The good thing is that Instagram and Facebook are connected, so you can actually use these posts and put them together and do it all as one. But if you want to be great at social media, you'll have to treat them a little bit differently. We'll be also going through this stuff on how to start these pages and how to properly run them within our course. This is a very big topic and can be very helpful, and if you know what levers to handle on Facebook, it will bring you excellent customers. This stuff does take time, but it is worth it. Then, once you start getting good at that, you can start playing around with Facebook ads. You can target your exact audience of the people that you want to work for. It's amazing. How do you think we found you? All right, thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. We really appreciate it. If you're enjoying this type of content, let us know what other kind of content we can make for you for the business side of things, or if you have any questions about plumbing and the industry itself, please let us know. We're here to help. If you are more interested in seeing more of this type of content, we will be posting a lot more of this stuff on YouTube, but there's a free training in the link description below that is not going to be on YouTube. You can only get it exclusively through that link, so check it out. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video.